I want to connect people. I want to connect Muslims and non-Muslims together. So, respect to be respected. You don't need to insist or convert anyone to any other religion. And all I said that, just peace out. Alright, good. Tamam.
Tamam.
Teşekkür ederim. Ganja is the second city of Azerbaijan, still developing, not yet developed, but it's a tourist area you may enjoy there. Watch your steps. Come.
Süper. Bu bir tane ne yapıyor? Bu oraya okşuyor da. Evet,
Tamam. Everything is going to remain here in this world. Nothing is going off when you die. When you die inside the grave, there's no one to help you except one. Even you don't remember, there's one. That is Allah, Allah Almighty. And people try to, even you have 1,000 followers, like 1,000 followers, no one is going to help you. Only thing will going to help you inside is your good deeds. If you did a good deeds, if you forgive someone, Allah will forgive you, inshallah. So we should be nice and kind to everyone. Never stop being a good person just because few bad people. Never, never. Revenge is not a solution. Mercy, forgiveness can make a difference. We all are humans. We all are humans first. So always remember Allah, your parents, your friends, your wife, mother, father, even your colleagues, neighbors, everyone deceived you, everyone's left you. But there is one who will stand next to you always in your good and bad times. That is Allah. Allah is always there. Allah is always there. Trust me. I'm a very bad person. Still, I don't know why. Allah mercy, Allah listen my prayers all the time. Just believe Allah not just listen me. Allah listens everyone who calls upon Allah, Allah Almighty. So Allah answers you. I didn't pray was like 2-3 years ago. Now I pray Alhamdulillah Fajr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, even Tahajjud, and I can't watch TV. I can't enjoy the music because it's my responsibility to pray. And I'm a weak Muslim. Yeah, I know I'm a weak Muslim. I'm a modern and old school too, and I still might try. I don't know why I'm chosen. Maybe I'm chosen and telling people that who is who, what is what, and I don't know why I'm doing this. I should go. This is my the life at young age. I should go to the nightclubs and hang out and fun. But still, I want to connect. I want to connect people, Muslim and non-Muslims together. So shukr so. I want my people, from my people, my homies, Pakistani. Please don't do illegal steps. Don't you guys letting us the whole nation down. So please, Allah, please, wherever you go, do go legally. You have legal documents. If someone tell you I will get you a shortcut just for few money, saying few minutes, don't risk your own life. You have mother, you have parents who's waiting for you. So don't die. Go to the Europe and stuff. Give at least money more and go legally. Please, that's my request. Pakistan's people are very beautiful. Assalamu alaikum, my Habibi, my Salma. How long you would be special to me? As long as stars twinkle in the sky, as long as ocean run dry. How long I gonna love you, my bacha Salmaya? As long as till day I die. Kunta noble Salma, Anta Jamil, me ana Kaaba, big Kaaba, ana Kharoof, still ana Hibbik, Sansa Yorum Salma, Chokas, Sansa Yorum. I love you so much, bacha. I can't live without you. I don't know. I can't live without you, my baby. You are like my small bacha. You're like my family. Wherever I go, you always go with me. You are here in my heart. I wish to have a Zoja like you and I want to marry you. Tazujini, Habibi, Tazujini. Wallah, I will give you so much PlayStation cards, chocolates. I will bring Delhi, McDonald's, KFC you like. I know, I still remember. And your birthday, 19th February. I never forget that day. I love you. God bless you. Long live life. Sanse Yoram Hana Hibbik. Huran, Koita, I miss you, my vampire. You're like a small, cute vampire who don't harm anyone, who don't drink blood. I don't know what kind of vampire you are. You're like innocent vampire. Wish you best of luck for the future, wherever you live. God bless you. God give you long life, and yeah, I love you, Huran. You like, uh, you mean a lot to me. You're a nice girl, nice person, humble, kind, sweet, generous. I don't want to have to describe you, but you are actually a good person, good human. And Wolf and imprinting on you, Wolf imprinted on you, and Wolf can't live without you. I want to. We can make up. We can unite Wolf and vampires together. All right, good thinking, TV Farah. I miss you. Best of luck for your channel. You're doing good, and I wish to see you. I wish to meet you. You're a really nice and kind, humble girl. Love you.